Hello developers. So today we will learn about the React Native icons. We are going to see how to use these two types of icons. One is spherical shaped icon and another one is a horizontal button icon. So this is our desired output of this video. So when we click on any icon, we will get alert prompt like this. So let's get into it. This is our basic React app with a simple text output. So let's import the social icon in our app from the React Native element. Now let's move the export default app from here because we are going to create the state for the app. So in a scroll view, we are going to use the view and let's assign the container style to it. And we need this view section for the spherical icon because we need different styles for the horizontal icons. And in this view section, we will use the social icon. The type determines the logo on the icon. Like let's give this a type as a YouTube and let's use the onPress function to give the alert prompt with a YouTube as a message. Now this text will be appeared at the bottom of the icon. After this, let's open the terminal in the folder and let's go to the article. And you guys can check out more articles like this on this site. This is a code for the more icons like this. Now let's copy this command, paste it in the terminal. Now let's run the app with the expo start. As you can see, we got the icon, but let's drag it down a little bit with the padding top, which will increase the space between top and the view section. And with the help of style in the text, let's align the YouTube text in the center of the icon. So the text is in center. Now to create the another icon like this, we can reuse this part. So let's just copy and paste it. And we got the two icons now. Now let's just change the type, name and the text of the icon. So we're getting the alert prompt when we click on it. Now to place this icon side by side, we will use a style. In this flex will allow to use the icon the required space. And this flex direction controls the alignment of the different view sections. So as you can see, we got the icons side by side. Now we can add as many icons we want with some changes, which will be placed side by side like this. Now let's create the horizontal icons. For that, let's create another view section. In this, let's use the social icon and use the attribute button and give it some title to it and give type for the icon on the button we need. After that, let's give some tasks to perform, like give an alert when we click on it. As I said earlier, we are going to use a different style for the different icon shapes. So we are assigning the weight to the 100, and cause we used 100% of width, so to align more buttons, we'll use the flex direction and assign its value to column. As you can see, we got the horizontal button and text under it. Now to add more buttons like this, we can reuse this part with some changes like this. So that's it guys. Make sure to check out the site. It have the direct source code and installation process which will help you to build the React Native apps. So like this video and give sub to this channel and see you in next one.